What's up guys, welcome back to our cooking channel. We haven't made a video in 2 years. We're making risotto today. I don't really know how to make risotto. We're gonna try anyways. We'll just see how it turns out. Alright, for this you're gonna need parsley, lemon, garlic, white wine, Parmesan cheese, and shallots. Alright, first you're gonna chop up your parsley. You wanna do this very finely. This is very important. You don't want big chunks of parsley coming out. Okay, you need to chop up your shallot. Chop it up real good. Keep everything the same texture. That'll be important. But yeah, just give it a nice good chop. Okay, you want to take your organic free-range chicken stock and you want to put it into a pot and make it warm before it's ready to be put into the rice. Okay, you want to get about 4 cups per cup of rice. So I have 1 cup of rice, I'm making 4 cups of broth. Okay, so on medium-low heat, you want to put in a little bit of olive oil, just a teensy bit. And then you want to put in your shallot, and you put in your garlic. I got a garlic crusher because I'm fancy. Okay, now that it's making noise and it smells good, you want to put in your rice. And you're just going to keep that in until it smells nutty or until it starts to absorb all of the olive oil. Now that it's feeling toasty, you got to put in your white wine. It's about 1 cup. And then if it makes that noise, that's good. Alright, now that most of the white wine is gone, now you're going to start putting in your warm stock. Just 1 ladleful at a time. And then you just let it cook, let it get absorbed into the rice, and then after about 20 minutes, it'll be ready. Okay, once it starts to toast again, and you can see that most of the stock is gone, that's when you need a new ladleful. And you just keep doing that. Okay, now that the risotto is looking like this, it's nice and delicious. You can also kind of taste it and see how it feels, the texture of it. But now we're gonna get our mascarpone cheese. We're gonna get a big spoonful. And then just give it a nice little stir around. And also, now, if some impatient people can't wait, you put in your Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese. You just dump it all in there. Delicious. Look at how delicious this looks. This is going to be a great meal. Look at that. Oh, look at that.
Is this MasterChef worthy?
This is MasterChef worthy. Look at how good this looks. All right, now you dump in your lemon. I put a whole lemon in there. All right, just get that a nice little stir. And then, right now, you put in your parsley. Delicious. Look at how delicious this is going to be. Okay, for not making risotto before, I think this is really delicious. So just plate it up there. And then, to make it look nice and delicious, you slam it. And then it's ready. Look at that. Okay. That's fucking delicious.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.